Demmy's gotta stop it. More of that talk.
Love another man.
Demmy's gotta stop it. More of that talk. I want you to face. Demmy's gotta stop it.
Packing things neatly. Those are all donation to the Goodwill, all these.
Who used to read this book?
As what they said, the second wave of corona is coming, so make sure you have your garage stocked out with bleach and hand sanitizers and Clorox and, you know, toilet paper. Yeah.
There was a little boy. There was a boy that went to my high school, and he would have about 2 to 3 bags of big bottles every day. Every single day he would be doing that, and he would have to walk home
With the bags on his
with the bags on his back. On top of that, before I had a job, I would always collect water bottles for a haircut.
I told him, I said he always came to me. He always came to me for $15 a haircut was, right? And he wasn't working at the time. He didn't have a job. He was still in high school. And I said, you know what? You want to make an honest earning of money real quick, hustling? This is what you do. And I said, you want to make stitching? Yeah, do.
Collect
Outside,
water
we'll take the bottles that we have in the cans. Not that you don't have the money, but using extra money and saving your own in every source of different ways makes a big difference. Just like the rich, they live off the poor. This is what you teach your children. And if there's water, you gotta empty the water because they weigh these at the water place pretty much. And when one is empty, you stick it in. This is a honest way of bringing stuff back, and then when you pack them, we will show you the rest. So let's see how many we have here.
Look at the water bottles, plastic bags we have.
Okay, so count them all and see. And just imagine times 5 times.
1,
1
2,
is 5 cents, right?
3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6,
Okay.
7, 8. Plus there's more in here. And more in here. So if y'all wanna earn some money, if you broke, go ahead and collect some bottles, because that's what I had to do back then. But thank God I'm blessed that I don't have to do this for a cut anymore. That's why you see all these people collecting bottles, and that's why you see all these people in the streets with carts with a lot of bottles in it, because that's their only source of income. Bottles on top of bottles on top of bottles, or at least 50. For the money you spent on bottles and water, you can make it back. Not all the way, but you can make some of it. And guess what you can do with $50? Buy groceries, put gas in your car. This is what my mom had me doing this morning. Moving these heavy ass things. The freezer, the old freezer, the damn washer, the damn stove. She got me doing all this. She got me doing all this. What the fuck? Stay tuned. All the bottles that we have. All of them. We got more cans, the big bottles. $50.93.
$50.93. I can generate $51.
thank you guys. Yeah, I'm just doing a film with my son because recycling, to teach the little kids that, you know what, you don't have to go out there and steal, you don't have to go out there and, you know, rob someone. And the first time, like this video, it's a vlog that he's doing. When he was in high school, I had to provide $15 for a haircut, you know? And the first time I took him was here with the bottles. And I said, you know what? You want to make him honest? An hour money that you would work, he got $15 back. That did a haircut. So since then, I'm having him, you know, record that just to show everyone, that recycling, it's an honest, you know, and you guys are here all day, and thanks for your help, you know. Of course. Putting all the bottles in, I don't know the numbers. Yeah. So,
saving the earth.
And that's why I was showing them, because I'm going to show, like, okay, do you see how much I just made? And now, this money, I'm going to show you what this money can do. Like $50 or $60 you made, even if it's $10 or $15, this can do a lot.
Sure.
You know,
true. Do it again tomorrow.
Right?
That'll get you
it does.
And you won't suffer.
That will is something honest. You don't have to.
Motivation too.
Yeah, I know. So that's what the video is about, pretty much.
You guys stay well and stay healthy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your help. Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.
$64 from bringing all these water bottles to this place.
That is a lot of money.
We never got that much actually
before. I know.
That's the highest we ever got.
That's like.
Sometimes you can't judge people by how their situations are going, because you never know what they're going through. That's a 5-hour shift. Minimum wage.
Minimum wage.
$60. That's more.
Exactly.
That's even more, by $4. So at my first job, $60 a day. And we just made that from bottles. Behind Albertsons in Palmdale.
$40, $51 in bottles. In my hand.
Never got that much money before. Ever.
$65?
That's a lot.
You cannot be full of pride to do. A lot of people think that, oh, I have too much pride. I can't do this. I can't touch this. I can't do whatever. DIY. Start DIYing all your Trust me.
Hustling and don't be ashamed.
That's it. That's the thing.
Just because other people judge you. We're about to leave. I'm waiting for her. She's getting ready. And we just gotta go to 99-cent store, get some things, see what $64 can do, and teach you guys that you can take your water bottles from your home, put it in the car, and go to the recycle place and get some money for it. We forgot water. Okay, my bad. We forgot to bring water bottle. We forgot other water bottles in the car and left, and we came back, and it was just one whole container of bottles. Couple glass bottles and some cans, and we got $13 for it. So no excuse. If you don't know how to get money, you know, this is one way of doing it. That's why you see all these homeless people or people, you know, hustling on the streets, digging in trash cans. So you're just trying to get bottles just to make some money. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, join the Toke family. You know, we going big and strong. I've been posting a week, but I'm gonna get more consistent. I will see y'all at the 99-cent store. We're here. You know, I gotta get things.
Crackers with I don't know why they put all the prices up. Chocolate or lemon?
Lemon. Do some cookies. They got some cheap stuff here.
Survival food.
It's called survival food.
Get like decaf or, you know, folders, coffee for $1. You can also get some chewy Quaker oats, which oh, these are the cookies. These cookies are great. You ever try these? You ever try these? Okay. A pack of honey buns. You can get 4 honey buns in a pack for $1.
They got Oreos.
Can I get another red velvet, please?
You got
for
little snacks.
For everyone who doesn't like to cook, this is the what you gonna call it? Stuff that you can eat from the cans. I do not like canned stuff. I like to cook fresh things, but these are like, you know, if somebody wants to have a can of chili beans, yeah, or beef stew, you can easily do that.
Cake.
We're gonna get some chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah. Corn, pineapples. That's me.
You know, all the seasoning is here. All you need is just some garlic powder, they have bacon bits. And
The
these
survival.
are 3
It's the real survival
Yes.
food of college.
And this is 3 for $1. So we're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Some almonds or pistachios. Meal to eat also. Sauce and rice.
This is called the survival grocery shop.
Onion, that's $1. Either red
$1.
onions, brown onions, or white onions. Okay. Buttermilk bread, bunch eggnog or oat. You get one of these. A little bit of fruit. Grapes. All you gotta do is take some out, put some in here. Peppers of your choice, whatever color. And this is what?
She doesn't know what she's getting. If you're on a budget, this is where you gotta go. 99-cent store. Most of the stuff you don't get in here because, you know, pretty unhealthy. Get you some wine, you know.
If you do not like to do dishes, this is your department, okay? Go pick up some plates, pick up some forks.
$39.77.
Came up to $39.77.
So out of that, you still have how much?
You still got $21 left over. That's what water bottles can do for you. Get you some groceries like this. And you still got extra money.
We'll get extra money and we're gonna go and fill these bottles out of it. 3 of them, liter, gallon, whatever, 5 gallon.
Get you some.
Okay, can I get,
Get you some
6
fast food.
hard tacos?
So, just filled the water bottles in the bag. Wait, see if you can see it. Look, the bottles right there. And we also got some tacos. And still got a little extra. That's what you can do with bottles if you save. I don't know what else I gotta say. I've been saying that all video. A little bit of extra money. Get your water bottles that you have at home, put it in plastic bags, bring it to the recycle place, get some money for it. You don't want to keep the bottles there, so might as well make some money for it. That's all I gotta say though.